To begin, remove the packing slip from the sleeve on the box, discard, and open the top of the box. Remove the contents inside the box and access the monitors that are packed below. There are colored stickers on each box. Red is right, green is center, and blue is left. Note which side you want these to go on, and if these do get confused during installation, it can be changed in the software after the fact. Next, open the Flex accessory box and remove the monitor mounts that are inside. Go inside the booth and determine where you want to mount your monitors. Remove the mount from the bag, as well as the small baggie containing the screws that will help you secure the mount to the booth wall. Then use your electric drill with the Phillips head bit to secure a screw in the top and bottom hole on the monitor mount. It's important to note that we want the 3 prongs on the end of the monitor mount to be facing up, as pictured here. Next, remove the monitor and its power supply from the box. Locate the 3 grooves on the back of the monitor. These will fit on the 3 prongs on our monitor mount. Now we'll secure this monitor to the mount by locating the 2 black screws that were in the small Ziploc baggie in the monitor mount bag. And with a Phillips head screwdriver, we will secure those into the back of the monitor mount. Once the monitor is secure to the monitor mount, repeat these steps for any other monitors that you have. After the monitors are mounted, we need to run power to these. In your Flex accessory box, there are white extension cables, and these are optional but helpful if you have limited power outlets in your booth. For cable management, we're using a white plastic wire mold that you can pick up at your local Home Depot or hardware store. However, every Flex install kit does come with adhesive cable clips if you do not have access to this white wire mold. Roll up the excess wiring and secure it behind the monitor using the supplied twist ties, zip ties, or adhesive cable clips in the installation kit. Now grab your black monitor cable and plug the barrel connector into the bottom left-hand corner of the monitor and the 3-prong outlet into our extension cable. Roll up the excess wire and secure it behind the monitor. We'll now repeat these steps for the other monitor. To demonstrate how we can daisy chain power from one outlet to another, I'll show using this extension cable how we're going to plug into our outlet behind the monitor and then run this power over to the other monitor. Of course, I could just plug these monitors directly into the power outlets below. Again, this is just for demonstration, showing how if you had limited outlets, you could use one outlet to power all of these screens. Next, locate the small flex box which contains your IR module kit. Remove the 30-foot male to female cables and put a 1/4-inch adapter on the male end. Plug these into empty jacks on your jack panel and run a cable to each monitor inside your booth. If you don't have enough empty jacks on your jack panel, you can run these cables directly through the pass-through on your jack panel. However, that's a little more difficult and can be tricky if you have a double wall booth. So using the adapters and the jack panel is a much easier installation. As you run cable up to the monitor, roll up excess cabling and secure it behind the monitor out of sight. Then take the female end on that cable and connect the male IR sensor that is attached behind the monitor. Repeat these steps for your other monitors in the booth. Finally, remove the IR distributor box and attach the 4 circular adhesive pieces to the back of the box. This box can either mount on your booth wall or on top or below your desk. Make sure you have access to your jack panel, specifically the corresponding jacks that we used inside the booth. Locate a male-to-male 1/8 inch cable and plug one end into the side of the box labeled monitors. Then, using one of the supplied 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch adapters, attach it to the other end of the cable and plug it into one of the corresponding jacks on the booth. Next, locate your IR sensor, and this will plug into one of 3 jacks on the bottom of the IR distributor box. Unpeel the adhesive backing and place the IR sensor within line of sight of where the remote will be. Now, locate your power cable, and this will plug into the bottom of your IR distributor box as well. Plug in the cable, and you will notice a light come on, indicating that the box is powered. This completes the installation. To test and make sure the installation has been done appropriately, remove the remote and press your right, center, and left buttons to ensure that the monitors activate as needed. Remember during installation that it is possible to run additional IR sensors both inside and outside of the booth to increase the range of motion that is picked up from the remote. This is not normally needed. However, in the event that it is, we have supplied the needed cabling and adapters so that you can run these sensors wherever you need to in order for that to get a consistent response. If you have any questions regarding installation, please feel free to reach out to us at 512-200-7890 or at sales@flexvra.com, and we'll be happy to assist. Thank you.